bacon and eggs and milk and a biscuit.
Like, as far as like dieting in general, like I really don't like to call it a diet. It's more like a lifestyle change. But the one mistake that a lot of people make, as soon as they say I'm gonna go on a diet, they go to the store and buy all the diet products in the store.
Diet juice, I need 100 calorie snack packs, low sodium chips, reduce fat this, reduce fat that, diet soda. Oh, I need granola bar.
Don't do that. Just stick to the basic stuff. Stick to your regular vegetables, meat, fruit, or whatever that you usually buy. Now, when it comes to meat, now if you're already buying like chicken, fish, or whatever, beef, turkey, whatever meat you buy, you're already like 95% there. It's all about how you prepare your food. So, for instance, chicken, instead of frying it, just bake it or grill it. And that's the same with like all the meat that you buy. You don't make it fatty. You can prepare it in a healthy way, and you're not spending extra money because you already bought the meat. And just like stray away from the unhealthy stuff that you usually buy, like potato chips and donuts and stuff. As far as snacks, this is what I like to do. I like to get cereal, nothing like too unhealthy. Like I'll buy like a box of Kix. That's as sugary as I get as far as cereal, and that doesn't have a whole lot of sugar. But I like to buy a box of Kix, put them in baggies, and eat that as a snack. Now I'll have that as a snack, or then you can have like your fruit and nuts or whatever throughout the day. So it doesn't have to be that hard. It's not that expensive. It's just little things that you can do to help you live a healthier lifestyle. I hope this has been helpful for you. Be blessed. Have a great day. Put a smile on your face. Help somebody today, and you just might receive a blessing in return. You never know. So I'll see you guys later. All right.